Yep, fish on. A little salmon trout. Now this is a better sized fish too. I think he's actually swallowed that fluid. Yeah. Fish on. Yeah. Whoop. Yeah. Honestly, where all the strongness of the fish comes from, because the rest of the fillet is quite clear.
Hi guys, it's Jeff here from Off the Rocks. I hope you guys have had a great week. I'm going out fishing. Most people would think that sounds perfectly reasonable, except for our area, it's forecasted to have this.
Adelaide's on track for one of its wettest weekends in more than a decade, with falls of up to 120 millimetres.
So, I'm going fishing. Gonna go down to the local marina. There's been some schools of salmon and stuff swimming around, and people have been getting whiting just out the front of it. So I'm just gonna go down, try and stay dry. I got some wet weather gear. I'm gonna go pick up a new rod because my other one that fell over on the rocks the other day was severely damaged, so I had to sort of dice that one. So we're gonna go buy a new one from the Complete Angler, and then we're gonna go down and see if we can't snag a few fish before the rain comes in too bad that I have to swim all the way home. And you guys are coming with us. Let's go.
Well, that was a bit of a hike. But we're here. I'm going to have the sorest legs because there's nothing flat to stand on. Get this hood up a bit too over my head. That might help save me phone a bit. This is about the flattest rock we got. God, it's got much heavier line than what I thought it did. Oh. Oh. I don't know if you've just seen that. Some fish. Oh God, the bugs though. Lucky I got air guard. Yeah, there's fish right down here. I wonder what they are. They might be tommies or something. Oh yeah, there they are. I don't know what they are. Some type of little fish, little reef fish of some description. There's a lot of them down there. They're coming up in there. I reckon they're in a sweep or something. I reckon they're getting the bugs. We're going to put some of that air guard on, I think. Nice little rod, actually. They look like rather big bugs in my mouth, actually. Rather big leather jackets, I reckon, swimming around down there. So we've got the slick now slowly moving out. So if there's anything around, they should be on their way. Yeah, fish on. Some salmon. A little salmon trout. Oh. Well, it was a salmon trout. That's gone down somewhere in between all the rocks down here. I'll never be able to get it. Oh, that's a real shame. Bugger. Oh no. It's not, I don't like seeing that happen to fish. I mean, I was going to deal with him, take care of him. I'm going to have to try and, if there's more there, I'm going to have to try and hit him into the bucket, aren't I? Thing is there's a big pocket of water under what I'm stepping in, so he's more than likely dropped down into there. Yep, fish on. Oh, we got a bit bigger fish here, I think. It's not. Yeah, this is a better sized fish too. I think he's actually swallowed that lure, so that'll make it a little bit better. This one we're not losing. So, lovely little, well not little really, he's a lovely sized salmon trout. It's not the most easiest spot to fish here, I can tell you. Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy. Oh, there's a snook. It's a lovely sized snook. Rain is definitely coming in heavier. Just got to keep an eye on that. See all these fish down right in front of me. None of them are interested in taking the bait because the rest of them are too freaking little and they just eat everything. But I'm not having much luck here on this, so we might retire the lure for the moment. Make our way carefully back up here. Put a bait on and see if we can get something from down in there, because there's some fish down there for sure. Make our way back down there again without slipping through the rocks and hurting myself. Ooh, I don't mind the ones like this that are rough, but these ones here, sheesh, like that. There's just danger waiting to happen. God, there's so many little fish here. Don't know. Oh, what is that? That's very big, whatever that is. That's a big snook. Hey mate, how are you? Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, I've got a salmon. Yeah, they've been floating in and out, like going past, but sort of few. Yeah, mate. Yeah. Yeah, there was a couple of big blueies come through just before, because I was just flicking burley out when I first got here. I reckon you'd be crab. Big bluey. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully. Oh, you hooked yourself, have you, mate? Well, that was a bit dumb, wasn't it? Yeah, no, I'd actually got him in the gob. Hooked him straight in the mouth. Yeah. Not what I'm really going for, but... Yeah, sorry, mate. I record and I do some stuff on YouTube, like fishing videos. If you don't want to be in it, like I can cut, I can edit you out and stuff. All right, no worries. Yeah. Fish on. Yeah. It's fighting well. Hey? I don't think I will. I think he's hooked fairly well. It's a snapper, that's what it is. Yeah. Up. Hang on. Oh, go away, bugs. Yeah. Woo! That was slippery. Help. Yeah. Mongrel. That's why I've been sticking to the rocks that I know. I was like, oh, I might just step over on that one. Well, things really didn't go to plan with that trip. We lost those couple of fish and those salmon and got the snapper. So we've got this salmon home. I'm just going to take a fillet off of him, de-skin him and put him in the freezer with the other fish we caught the other week. That way when I feel like having fish, we'll have a whole bunch. And the crab will boil up and yeah, it can be eaten. Got that heating up nicely. Once that boils, I'll put the crab in there. So yeah, I mean, it's a reasonable sized crab. And that's reasonable sized salmon trout too. There we go, nice fillet. Because we bled him pretty well straight away, most of the blood's come out of him. Would have been nice to have two of these. If we got the two, plan for tonight would have been fish for tea, I'd say, because then we would have pulled out the whiting fillets. And there was another salmon that I've got in the freezer, and that would have probably fed us all. But there you go. Skinless fillet. Now, see, this is bloodline here, so this is quite bad. So what I do with mine is I actually cut down the middle of that bloodline, and then I work that bloodline out of my fillet. You do lose a bit of fish, but if you don't want your kids to turn their nose up at salmon, or anyone, if you get rid of that bloodline, it's not a great amount that you actually really do lose when that rain's coming back. But then you get a decent fillet of fish that you can breadcrumb, so you end up with like 2 nice clean fillets. This one's still got a bit. So yeah, cut that bloodline away. It's honestly where all the strongness of the fish comes from, because the rest of the fillet is quite clear. And then we'll do the same to this one.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked what I did here, make sure you leave a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And we shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.